Nishimye. I am happy. Narakaye. I am angry. Ndananiwe. I am tired. Mfite ibitotsi. I am sleepy. Ndaje. I am coming. Hello wonderful peoples, welcome to a new lesson of Kinyarwanda Lessons for Beginners, number 15, Expressing Yourself. My name is Theo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn some basic verbs on how to express yourself. Pay attention though, these are verbs for beginners. Like more advanced Rwandans express themselves indirectly. Like for example, if one is thirsty, they will not just say they are thirsty, they will say something like, oh, my throat is itching, you know, and then you have to understand or take a hint that they are thirsty, and usually meaning they want some kind of alcohol beverage. But anyway, for today's class, we're just gonna keep it simple and basic, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Reka dutangire. Urihe, ndi mu nzira. Ugeze he? Ndi hafi. Ntago wagera, ngeze ku gipangu. Wakibonye? Nayobye. Murakaza neza. Mwinjire. Murakoze. Nsabye imbabazi ko natinze. Nta kibazo. Mwicare. Ufite inyota? Yego, mfite inyota nyinshi. Akira. Murakoze. Mbega ikirahure. Urashonje? Yego, mfite inzara nyinshi. Akira. Murakoze. Biraryoshye cyane. Urashaka inyama? Hoya, meze neza. Biracyahari? Murakoze. Ndahaze. Ndashaka kukubwira ikintu. Ndi mu rukundo. Mfite isoni. Wanchanze. Ihangane. Nakwanze. Mbabarira. Ndumva ndwaye. Ihangane. Urwaye iki? Mfite isesemi. Urashaka kuruhuka? Yego, ndananiwe. Ngwino nkwereke igitanda. Thank you very much for watching. That was the lesson for today. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Instagram TV nowadays at Theoisback. And I would like to see you all in the next lesson. Muramuchi.